A tiny cricket named Melody held a mystical violin crafted from a delicate blade of grass. Each night, her enchanting tunes floated through the air, soothing every creature in the meadow. But one evening, a terrified cry pierced the stillness. A creature in distress deep in the woods. Without hesitation, Melody knew her music could help. With her violin in hand, she stepped into the shadows, determined to ease the fear with the power of her song.
Can you believe this simple bedtime story channel made over $2,267 in just a few days with only 24 videos? And get this, they started less than a year ago, in June 2024. But hold on, there's even more. Take a look at this similar channel. They're also making serious money from their apps and books. They've published best-selling books based on their stories, bringing in massive revenue, and their app is killing it on the Play Store. This niche? It's huge and exploding with income opportunities. So, how can you tap into this super profitable, timeless niche? Well, check out one of their videos. It's just one visual, no changes in scenes, but it still managed to rack up over 4.5 million views. No narration, no fancy edits. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to create something even better and more engaging using just one powerful tool. That's right. No jumping between complicated tools or wasting time on different platforms. Just one simple tool to do it all. So without wasting another minute, let's get started. Just click the link in the description to sign up for Vidnoz. Using your Google account or email is quick and easy, and you'll land on this clean interface. As you can see, this tool is loaded with everything to make your content creation a breeze. Step 1. Creating the script. First things first. For our bedtime story, we need an engaging script, and Vidnoz AI has us covered. Let's start by navigating to their writing tool. Click on the AI tools on the left. Once you're there, scroll down and look for the writing tool, AI Script Generator. Here it is. Click on it. First, set the tone to friendly and the language to English. You can also choose other languages if needed. Next, paste the prompt I've prepared, included in the description, which you can modify. Once you paste it, hit Generate at the bottom. And just like that, in seconds, Vidnoz generates an engaging script. You can always adjust it by shortening, expanding, or paraphrasing the content. I'll save everything to Google Docs for easy access. Next, copy the script and head back to Vidnoz AI for our image prompt descriptions. We will ask Vidnoz AI to create detailed image prompts for every 10 seconds of the script, with each prompt clearly indicating the corresponding lines it represents. Paste your story there. Once done, click here to generate. Also, once we have our prompts, copy them and paste them into Google Doc. Now, the fun part begins. We'll be generating visuals, getting a voiceover, editing, adding background music, and more. Typically, this step would require hopping between Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, CapCut, and other platforms. But since we're using Vidnoz, we can skip the back and forth hassle. This tool handles it all in one place. It even has the ability to generate a talking avatar as the narrator for our video. The images, animation, and editing are all done within Vidnoz, which is amazing. Step 2. Editing the video. Now, let's put everything together by editing our video. To get started, go back to Home and click on Create Video. On this interface, you'll see a few free templates you can adjust, but for this video, I'm going with a blank template. You can choose the layout, landscape, portrait, or square. Since we're making a long video, I'll select landscape. Now that the template is set, let's start creating our scenes. We already have one scene here. To create another, simply click on this area, and a new interface will appear. Then click on blank. That's it. Each scene will stand for each 10 seconds of our script. Once done, for each scene, we'll place one image. Step 3. Generating visuals. To generate the visuals, click on Image. You can choose from free stock images, use the AI to generate new ones, or upload from your gallery. There are plenty of options. For this project, I'll use AI-generated images. Then click AI Generation. Once on this space, head back to Google Docs where we saved the script and the image prompt description, and copy the first image prompt description. Paste that into the AI tool. For the style, choose 3D cartoons. great for a bedtime story vibe. For the dimensions, select 16 by 9 for long-form content, then hit Generate. Wow, look at that! What's great is that you can edit the image right here, resize it, crop it, and download it to your device. I'll quickly add the image to my project, then drag it to fit, or click on Stretch and then Fill. Here you can crop the image, adjust the opacity, blur the visual, or add effects and animations. To add animation to the image, click on Animation, choose the animation style that best suits the scene, and then click Set. Step 4. Adding the voiceover. Next, we need the voiceover. To add it, click on Voiceover. Vidnoz AI offers over 200 quality voices to choose from. Pick the one that best suits a gentle, soothing bedtime story. I'll go with Elizabeth. Hopeful. Click OK and apply it for all scenes. For each scene, copy the corresponding script line and paste it into the voiceover section. Repeat the process for every scene. Generate the images, add animations, and sync the voiceover. Continue this process repeatedly for all the other scenes. Step 5. Adding background music now. Let's bring the video to life with some background music. Click on Music and browse through the collection. There are tons of options to choose from. I'm going to select a calming track that fits the bedtime theme. You can also upload your own music if you prefer, then adjust the volume here. Once selected, click Add to all scenes to apply the background music throughout the video. Step 6. Adding the talking avatar. Here's where we make the video even more engaging. We're going to add a talking avatar as the narrator. Click on Avatar at the top and choose the one that fits the vibe of the story. I'm going with this friendly avatar. Click on it, then apply it to all scenes. You can adjust the avatar's appearance, like cropping the head, and position it on the screen. I'll use the circle cropping and place the avatar at the bottom of the screen. Step 7. Final adjustments and transitions. Once the scenes are set, you can add transitions to make the video flow smoothly. Choose from the available options and apply them to all scenes for a seamless viewing experience. Once everything looks good, click Generate to finalize your video. Look at that!
A tiny cricket named Melody held a mystical violin crafted from a delicate blade of grass. Each night, her enchanting tunes floated through the air, soothing every creature in the meadow. But one evening, a terrified cry pierced the stillness. A creature in distress deep in the woods. Without hesitation, Melody knew her music could help. With her violin in hand, she stepped into the shadows, determined to ease the fear with the power of her song.
Amazing, right? You can also use Vidnoz AI to create a talking avatar, like the one you are watching in this video. Just navigate through the tools on the left, search for AI talking photo, click on it, upload your image, drop a write-up you want your avatar to say, select the language, choose a voice, then generate. That's all. As I mentioned earlier, Vidnoz is all you need to create amazing content, all in one place. There's no need to juggle multiple tools. Time doesn't allow us to check out all the features, but Vidnoz also includes avatars, voice cloning, AI video translation, and so much more. To get started with Vidnoz AI, click the link in the description below. And for those ready to take it to the next level, here's something special. Use the link to get a discount on the subscription price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.